Hi everyone, it's another video by Less Tax to Pay. Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at Quickbooks Online and creating bank rules. It's going to be a very quick video, but this can automate your system, make it a lot quicker to deal with the transactions if you have regular transactions or you know of regular transactions that you have a new bank account. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you like the video, please hit the like. We do new videos all the time through the varying softwares that are out there. So these are videos that are going to help you make your life easier running your business and running and using this software. So as you can see, we're going to start off now. As you can see, we're in the dashboard of QuickBooks Online. Now what we need to do is we need to go into the bank accounts, and we've got a bank feed here. So we just click on it, and you can see we've got 12 transactions that are waiting for review, and some have been matched. There's already a rule in place. But what we're going to do is we're going to deal with today hotel. So you see here on a bank on the description it says hotel. Your bank might say different, so you could use this for transactions like your bank charges or Vodafone, or if you go on the tube and it comes with a standard text every single time. What you can do is make this automated, so it automatically adds it every time you do a download, or it can automatically match it and then you just add it yourself. So it stops you having to search for and add in every transaction. So to add the bank rule, we go up the top here and you'll see it says bank rules. So we click on that. You can see we've only got one bank rule in there. So we're going to add a new bank rule, and we're going to call it categorize. If I can spell today, it would help. I'm going to do hotel bank rule. Brain's not working today. Hotel bank rule. So it's on money for money out. So it's money going out of the bank account. Now you can select which bank accounts this rule applies to. So I'm only going to select the current account because it's the only one that we're going to use this on. So this is where you can set the parameters of how it's going to match the transaction. So you have here bank text, description, amount. So we're going to leave with bank text. Bank text contains, and for this we're going to say hotel. But yours will be obviously specific to what you're doing. So if it's bank charges and they say service charges or commission charge or just charges, you put that in there. And then once the bank rule matches these conditions, you can then tell it what you want it to do. So I want it to go as an expense. I want it to go under travel. The tax code will be 20%, or if it's other travel, so like parking, if it's local authority parking, that's obviously 0. If it's NCP parking, that's 20%. So you can see that you can set the real parameters here. Now this is the option that is entirely down to you. So what you can do is you can set it to automatically, just once it sees the transaction, set the transaction into it's added to your bank balance, so it automatically just deals with it. So then the list of transactions that you have to deal with will become obviously a lot smaller as you're going through this with multiple bank rules. So I'm going to select that to automatically add. Just click save. Now the bank rule is applied. So if I go into the banking screen again, go to my transactions, you can see here there was an option for hotel that's now gone. That's now inside QuickBooks, and you can see here it's set as the hotel bank rule, and it was added on this date, and that's it there. So it makes it much simpler, and you can add multiple bank rules for different things. If you have regular payments in out that are not bills but they're expenses, but you have regular ones, the likes of, like I said, the parking, bank charges, your mobile phone bill. If you're not adding the actual the bill into the system, you're just adding the payment out. You can do it on multiple different things, and it will just make your life easier when dealing with your bank and dealing with reconciliation of the bank as well, because it means then the only ones you've got to review are the ones that you don't have regularly, which means it should only be a few transactions. So it just makes your life easier. That's all the video is today. Like I've said before, if you are new to here, please subscribe, please like the video if you found it very informative. We do new videos all the time on varying stuff from the likes of automation inside bookkeeping software, the different features around the bookkeeping softwares, and we just give you little tips to make your life easier. Running a business is hard enough. This shouldn't make it any more difficult. This shouldn't scare you in running your business. So this is why we do these videos, to give you a little bit of help, because small businesses need help. But like I said, come back. There'll be new videos added on different features. We'll see you soon.